Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be discussing about a very important dental related question. It is the most frequently asked question. You know what it is? How often do I see my dentist? How often do I visit my dentist? Now many of you wonder this and many of you ask me this. So today my video will be upon this question. We are attracted to the other person's smile. You know why? Because smile is the most calming, warming and friendly gesture that is known. But very sadly, teeth are the most neglected part of our whole body. Nobody even thinks once about our oral cavity or the tooth. Whenever we feel pain, we just rush to the dentist and tell them that this is the most dangerous pain. I cannot even sleep because of my tooth pain. They come to the dentist and they tell us that dental pain is the most dangerous pain. Now, some of you have a thinking in your mind that if you brush twice or thrice a day and you floss regularly after having your food, so that is more than enough to keep your gums and your teeth healthy and clean. So you don't need to visit the dentist at all because you do not have any problem in your teeth, so why visit a dentist? To this, I would like to enlighten you that no matter how many times you brush or you floss your teeth, a bit of plaque is going to form up on the tooth surface over time, and this plaque is going to harden up into calculus. Now you might be wondering what is a plaque. So let me tell you a bit about plaque. Plaque is that pale yellow film that is forming constantly on your tooth surface. The saliva, food particles and the bacteria in your mouth is forming that plaque. When this plaque is hardening and it is forming a calcified mass known as calculus. So this calculus is not removable by brushing or flossing. This calculus is the root cause of many dental cavities and all other gum diseases. The dentist has the expertise and also the tools to remove this calculus from your tooth surface and keep your tooth healthy by giving it a cleaning up or a scaling, as you all know. So now you got a brief idea on why you need to go and see a dentist, whether you have a dental problem or you don't have a dental problem. So how often? To this, I would recommend you to go to a dentist whether you have a dental problem or not. You need to visit a dentist twice in a year, once in every 6 months. That is, if you do not have any specific oral issue or a specific gum disease and the dentist has obviously told you to visit him after 2 months maybe. Normally, for people with no oral issues, you need to go and visit your dentist twice a year, that is once in every 6 months. But obviously if you have any problem, if you have any dental problem and your dentist has told you to visit him after 2 weeks for a follow-up, then obviously that is a different scenario. But when people do not have any oral issue or any problem, that is for a regular checkup, you need to go to a dentist twice a year. So one reason I told you, that is whether you have a dental issue or not, your dentist can check your oral cavity to see how much calculus deposit your tooth and your oral cavity has, so that he can remove it by ultrasonic scaling. Another very important reason on why you should go and visit your dentist once in every 6 months. It is seen that any oral issue or any gum issue, any gum problem or oral problem or cavity problem in your mouth takes a bit more than 6 months to grow irreversible from its initiation. I will explain to you what does that statement mean. becoming irreversible. Any dental issue becoming irreversible. It means that if there is any cavity or any gum disease in your mouth that takes a bit more than 6 months to become untreatable by your dentist. That means that it cannot be treated anymore, or your tooth needs to be extracted or taken out. So this is a very good reason on why you should go and visit your dentist once in every 6 months. Because when you visit your dentist once in every 6 months, then your dentist can detect any cavity in your mouth or any other gum disease in your mouth, and that disease can be treated immediately. At least the treatment can start immediately. So this can be reversed, this can be treated. But if you delay it, you wait for the pain to come, you delay going to your dentist, and that minute problem is going to become a disaster. It may cause your teeth to be taken out. That is irreversible situation. So now you can understand that it is so important to go and visit your dentist once in every 6 months, whether you have a problem in your mouth or not, because those problems cannot be seen by you. They can only be detected by a dentist. If you want your smile to be beautiful, if you want your teeth to be attractive, then please go and visit a dentist once in every 6 months, that is twice a year. I have a complaint today about you guys. You guys are watching my videos and not subscribing to my channel. Now that is making me really sad, because that's really sad. You need to subscribe to my channel. Go and subscribe to my channel first. Please click on that subscribe icon and share this video with your friends. Do like my video and leave a comment in the comment section if you want to know that how often we need to go for scaling or polishing to a dentist. Leave your comment on whether you liked the video or not. Click on the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and tell me if this video was really helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. So bye bye.